Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the EAFC26 input delay or lag with the controller. First, open Device Manager on your computer. Then click on Display Adapters to expand it. Here, you'll see installed graphics drivers. Now right-click on your main graphics drivers and select Update Driver. Then choose Search automatically for drivers so Windows can find and install the latest version. Next, right-click on another driver and again click Update Driver. Then, click Search automatically for drivers one more time to make sure all displayed drivers are updated. After updating your drivers, go back and open Settings on your computer. From the left sidebar, click on Windows Update and then tap Check for updates. If any updates are available, install them, wait for the process to complete. Now go back to your Start menu, right-click and select Run. Here, select %temp and click OK. This will open the temporary files folder. Select all the files inside and delete them to clear the unnecessary cache that may cause lag. Next, open the Run box again. Now select Temp and select OK. Again, delete all the files that appear in the folder to clean up your system. After deleting these files, close everything and restart your computer. Restarting helps apply all driver and system updates properly. Once your computer is back on, open EAFC26 and test your controller. That input delay or lag should now be reduced, giving you smoother and more responsive gameplay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.